Hi, I'm Myron Gunnick from LongPoint ETFs with our weekly natural gas update. Remember, you can trade NGUP and NGDN to take short-term high-conviction positions on the price of natural gas. April has just begun and spring is officially back in session. Now, April is one of those months when we're using less natural gas for heating and we're not quite using it yet for air conditioning. Also, as the weather improves in Canada and the lower 48 contiguous states, natural gas production starts to ramp up again. So, with supply increasing and demand decreasing, we should naturally expect to see natural gas prices decreasing in April. So, what does the data say? Let's take a look at Seoul Gas Index, a selective index that tracks the rolling front month futures contract. It's also the underlying index for NGUP and NGDN. We're going to look at monthly returns by month over the 10-year period from 2015 to 2024. First, let's look at mean monthly returns by month. Over the last 10 years, April on average has been the second best month, with a mean monthly return of 5.4% over the past 10 years. Only August has been higher at 7.1%. Okay, but maybe outliers could be pushing averages higher or lower. So what about median monthly returns? Adding in median monthly returns is one way to remove the impact of outliers, and we see that once again, April is a generally positive month with a median monthly return of 1.9% over the past 10 years. Again, it's only second to August, as before. Okay, but what about the variability of these monthly returns? Could they differ wildly from one year to the other? Let's take a look at the standard deviation of monthly returns over each month over the past 10 years. As you can see, April has the least amount of variability, coming in at about 9%. One way to interpret this is about 68% of the time, we might expect to see April monthly returns to be around its mean monthly median return, plus or minus one standard deviation. In this case, that would be somewhere between negative 3.6% and plus 14.3%. Next, let's look at the minimum and maximum monthly returns for each month over the last 10 years. Impressively, the lowest returning month of April saw a return of just negative 4.7%, which is above the average monthly return in February and December. Only August, again, has a better minimum monthly return. And as far as maximum monthly returns go, April is about middle of the pack at nearly 27%. Finally, looking at the number of years with positive monthly returns, out of a possible 10 years, April scores the highest, with 8 out of 10 years showing a positive monthly return. All of this suggests, if history is any guide, natural gas prices could rise in April. But of course, history is just a guide and can't be relied upon. As the investment industry is fond of saying, past performance is not indicative of future performance, so proceed carefully. Thanks for watching, and we'll return next week with more on natural gas. Please like and subscribe and visit longpointetfs.com for more information and to register for updates.